He does look like he's right. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Good morning, yeah. Real man.
One day we go out of state, you're not gonna bring your crutches?
Oh man. Alright, let's go.
Whoa.
How we feeling, yo?
Last rest stop in Jersey. After this, we're gonna be in
Pennsylvania, right?
No, not in Pennsylvania. Where are we gonna be? We're gonna be in Nike after this. Nike. Nike.
Yo, I haven't told the vlog what we're doing. What are we doing today?
We are shopping at the Nike outlet.
No, you fucking.
We're shopping at the Nike outlet. I don't know.
Shut the fuck up.
Chill. We're buying a new car today.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
We're going to dealership, paying in cash. You already know what the fuck it is, you know. Just living light.
Yo, what's good, guys? My bad for not vlogging. Fell asleep. I'll insert that clip now.
This dude was asleep the whole time, so he couldn't take any footage. But
Yeah.
we had a blast coming here.
But we're here now, making a few stops before we go pick up the car. So yeah.
I was parked right next to that Beamer. Nah.
Where the fuck are we?
Wait, that's yours, yo?
I don't know, bro.
No.
If you tell me that's yours.
No.
What the fuck is going on, yo?
Well, we're leaving.
Yeah.
That may be his uncle's car or his cousin's car.
So where's his car? Yo, if you really gotta be around, I'm gonna be
I believe it.
really happy for him. Like,
I'm gonna be like,
Alright guys, so we got a surprise for this guy.
This nigga's gonna be faster than all of us, bro.
We're gonna scratch up his car.
Oh god.
Alright. Name the brand right now. What do you guys think he's getting?
Nissan.
Nissan?
Yeah.
I think he got an Infinity.
So Hater picked up a car, but he's saying it's an Altima. But most of us are calling Cap.
Yeah, most definitely not an Altima.
Who knows?
I would definitely not drive all the way here.
Yeah, if we drove here.
I mean, if I did, it's already too late. I'm already here.
Yeah, pretty much.
We gotta beat his ass then.
Yeah. Turn it back on.
Oh, it's still on.
Turn it back on.
Oh yeah! Turn it back on! Flex that.
Drug money right there. You already know money laundering. You already know what it is.
Yes, sir! How you feeling, boss?
One step closer, yo. One step closer.
How you feeling?
Like a 7 out of 10.
Yo.
Yo, rev it then if you're
Yo.
That shit was right in your face. Yeah, I'm telling your uncle, yo, when he comes out.
Chill, bro, chill.
So y'all wanna go eat?
Already got the cash home.
It's cool.
Guys, so we are at Quarter Market. His uncle is taking us out to eat. This place has different restaurants, so we don't know, but he said if we like something spicy. Let's see if it's more than a 7 out of 10.
It's a little intermission, like food break, and then I guess we're gonna get the car. He said 2 hours, but
2 hour drive, nigga.
I don't know if he's bullshitting or not.
Look at
He said 2 hours. I don't know if he's real.
That's 2 hours.
I'll keep you guys updated. Not really sure what's going on. What do we got here, bruh?
Welcome to my lot. As you can see, I got a lot of cars.
This one's a beauty, though. This one's a gem.
Which one's yours? This one. You're not taking a right-hand drive. Are you? Why you be doubting me, bro? Alright, I'm gonna keep it real, bro. I picked up the meat.
Get the fuck out of here, yeah.
I wanted a clear one than raised, so that's what I got.
Cat.
Oh shit.
Wait. Mazda Speed 3 back there.
Oh.
Speed 3 back He pulled up big, yo. That's his, yo. Jerome, you're done, bro.
Nah, son. Is this the whip, yo?
This is a
Yeah, this shit is clean, yo. Bro, this is a good pickup.
Let's do it.
It don't sound that bad, yo.
Yeah, you're not leaving.
Everybody getting turbo cars? Ah, okay.
Yo, this is nice, man. Congrats, yo.
Congrats, man.
Yo, you don't stand a chance, bro.
No, you really don't.
Oh, he don't have to do it. You don't know how to shift. I'm not afraid of that.
I'm not afraid.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, he got the blinker fluid too.
Ask me what I feel about it.
How you feel?
7 out of 10. Your e-brake is still up, dummy.
Yeah! So you got the wheel!
Shut up!
How you feeling, yo?
We'll try not to die.
I'ma try not to
You
kill
got
you.
this, bro?
Yeah, of course, bro.
Oh, God!
Yeah.
How's it feel?
I love it, bro. I love it.
Yo, this is a good choice. This is a good choice.
It's a good choice.
This is definitely a good choice.
I had a silver 350Z, and then we had to sell that. That's why it was taking so long.
Yeah, fuck
Because
that 350, bro. You got a month.
we sold it like July 1st-ish.
Yeah.
And then 2 weeks we were looking for this car, and then we found one, and then we repainted it.
Hey, yo, that looks nice. That's the camera. Oh, cops.
Cops? Cops?
You're a dick, yo.
But I wanted that facelift badly.
Yo, don't forget that hole. There you go.
Yo, I swear that hole was not there before.
That hole was not there when we got here.
I wanna go home. It's like it's gapping at 440.
You ain't doing it. He ain't gonna do it. He can't gap.
He thought I
He
was gonna
can't
gap him, so there's.
Hey, I'm not too far up, but he has like 60 additional.
This is Mr.
horsepower.
Einstein over here.
Bro, it's just physics, bro.
Physics.
If the horsepower, if it don't work, I trust science before anything.
Oh no!
If it fits,
That's
right, baby.
That's good.
No Apex Autos.
Hey yo!
Yeah.
Say
Like
the phone
that?
number. Say the address. Say the
Like
address.
this joint right, 11329 Tidewater Trail right here.
Let him know. Let him know.
ApexAutosInc.com. Check us out, baby. Got some special cars.
Fucking racer? 3:57. It's
Almost 4 a.m.
Magnum.
Almost 4 a.m.
Took that 4-hour ride home, but we're back. Car's here. Congrats, man. Happy for you, bro.
I love this car.
Yeah, yo, it's nice, dude. It's nice.
I'm so
Didn't vlog the ride back because it was really just fucking ass. Yeah, it was late. We were all tired.
Yo, you like
But-
that? Hello.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Finally, all of us have cars now. Dre got a WRX, so now we all have like kind of relatively new cars. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one.